Hello everyone. In this video, we will be continuing with topics of fractions. Now, in my previous video, I have talked about the basic understanding of fractions, and if you haven't watched the video, please check it in the description below. Today, we will be addressing proper, improper, and mixed fractions. We'll begin with proper fractions. How do we identify them? There are two ways to identify proper fractions. The first one, numerator is always lesser than the denominator. Second one, the value of the fraction is always less than 1. Now, let's take a look at few examples of proper fractions. Let's take a pizza and cut it into 6 pieces. Now if I select one slice out of the 6 of them, we can represent it as 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is a proper fraction. Why? Because the numerator 1 is lesser than the denominator 6. Also, the portion of the pizza is lesser than one whole pizza. Now let's take another example. 5 by 6. The numerator 5 is lesser than the denominator 6. This is a proper fraction too. Now let's see what the fraction represents on the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slices are being chosen out of 6 slices. This is still less than one whole pizza. That is why it is a proper fraction. Now let's take in another example. 6 by 6. Here the numerator 6 is not less than the denominator 6 here. So this is not a proper fraction. On the picture we are choosing all 6 slices, which is one whole pizza. That's another reason why it is not a proper fraction. Now let's jump to the next topic, improper fractions. What are improper fractions? There are two ways to identify them. First one, the value of the fraction should be greater than or equal to 1. Second one, the numerator of the fraction should be greater than or equal to the denominator. Let's take an example of a pizza cut into 8 slices. Consider the fraction 9 by 8. Here, the numerator 9 is greater than the denominator 8. So this is an improper fraction. Let's look at a pictorial view of the fraction. The denominator is 8, so the pizza is cut into 8 slices. The numerator is 9, so we have to select 9 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we have run out of pizza. Let's take another pizza and select 9 slices from there. Now we have picked all 9 slices. As you can see, we have selected more than one whole pizza. This is why improper fractions have value greater than or equal to 1. Now let's go to the next topic, mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are just another way to represent improper fractions. Let's take an example. Consider the improper fraction 19 by 8. To represent this fraction pictorially, we have to take pizzas which are cut into 8 slices each and select 19 slices. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. As you can see, we have selected 2 whole pizzas, so we'll write 2, and we have selected a fraction of the third pizza, 3 by 8. Now, when we join them, we form a mixed fraction 2, 3 by 8. Therefore, 19 by 8 can also be written as 2, 3 by 8. So now 2, 3 by 8 is a mixed fraction. Finally, let's look at the properties of a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction will always have two parts. First, an integer part. Here, in this example, 2 is the integer part. Second, a fractional part. Here, it is 3 by 8. This brings us to the end of the video. In the next video, I'll be talking about like and unlike fractions. Then later, I'll be also talking about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you.